Hello watch lovers and welcome to my channel Wristwatch and Wallet. On this channel we do unboxing and review different affordable watches. And today I have another affordable automatic mechanical watch that I bought recently. But before moving forward, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That will help the channel grow and I will be able to get new watches for you. First, it's a wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Winner's HQ-8149 mechanical watch. Without further ado, let's open the box. In the box we can see only one thing, which is the watch. Let's remove the watch from the plastic. And apart from that, there is nothing. No cleaning cloth, no watch manual, nothing. Now this is the first look of the watch. The watch model number is HQ-8149. It's an automatic mechanical watch. It has a self-winding mechanics, which means by the wrist movement the rotor will rotate and may wind up the watch. Now let's move to the measurement of the watch. According to the website, the case diameter is around 44 mm. The case height is around 13 mm and the lug-to-lug width is around 22 mm. The lug-to-lug length is around 52 mm. We have a black suede leather strap and then we have a steel buckle. The watch provides 30-meter water resistance. The case is made of stainless steel and has a beautiful decorative pattern engraved on it. This is a skeleton dial and hands seem to be lumed. We have a see-through case pack. Here is a task for you. Let me know in the comment section how this beauty looks to your eyes. And now let's see how it looks on a wrist. My wrist size is around 6.5 inches and here how it looks. That is all for today. I will try to make a full review video after wearing it for some time. Once again, if you like the video, then please do subscribe and like. That will help the channel grow and also might help someone to find this video. Thank you for watching it.